So what were we just saying, Dad, about, you know, me trusting you and on the helm? And so, oh, so you didn't see this then?
I saw it.
You are on video. Did you see it?
Of course I saw it.
What ship? What ship? You said to me. You said, what ship are you talking about, Simon? I said, well, that little, you know, the Grand Pioneer. What Grand Pioneer? I think we're going to get... Oh yeah, Dad, just why not aim at it? For goodness sake. Well, it's time for a roundup. Imagine broadsiding that thing. Dear oh dear. Alright, everything... Ah, well, you gotta be kidding me. Now you want to tack into it. Oh man. Yeah, probably. I think I had a bit of backwind myself.